motorcycle shop, and the bike is right behind me right here, and they're working on it. The brakes, both of them got stuck up, and oil, everything was messed up. So we're working on that bike because we want to go traveling, and before you travel, you got to make sure that everything is perfect or close to perfect. So we're working on the bike today, hanging out. It's a beautiful day today. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's gorgeous out. And we're just working on that bike now, and had lunch, and we're gonna go for a ride. We couldn't go on the motorcycle adventure as we thought we could because the bike was really screwed up. The brakes were really stuck up. It took the guy like 3 hours or 4 hours to fix them. It was terrible. And he charged me like $7 or $8. So that was a good deal. My bike is just filthy, so I had it washed. So let's go check it out. The guy is washing it for $2. And he's working on it really hard. So let's go check it out. Doing a great job. It's very dirty, right? So we're cleaning the Bumblebee bike. It's gonna shine. Woo! We need to wash that bike, and we have everything ready to go on a motorcycle adventure. But today we have to work on the bike so we can go on it next time. We have a lot to do, and I got the bike fixed, and today is supposed to be a motorcycle riding day, but it turned into a working day. The bike's still being worked on, and we couldn't go on that motorcycle adventure today, but maybe next time. Thanks so much for watching today. We appreciate that, and we ask you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell.